What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another one. We came to Bert's Mega Ball to look at a RZR. So let's see what we end up finding here. This little Pro S right here is the one. That should have a tag on it. Alright guys, as you guys saw already, we did go ahead and purchase a 2025 RZR Pro S, and I already did a few upgrades to it, did a few mods. I didn't do a full review. I did put some clips of it buying it at the dealer, but this is so far the side-by-side. As if you guys remember and follow the channel, we already had the Pro XP. This is the Pro S. The other one was like a 2021, I believe. So a few things have changed. The other one had like a mustache on it and the little LED stuff on it. This one has the DLRs, and then now it has fangs. This one's the Pro S Sport, so it doesn't come with little fangs, but that'll be a future upgrade. It does have the Walker Evans suspension. It is a 5-lug. The upper and lower A-arms are a lot beefier. Then it doesn't come with the roof, but we did go ahead and install it. That's going to be on the next video. The thing that I realized the other day that I was washing it, because I took it out off-roading before I even posted it up or did the reveal one, is that this one has like door cards. On the Pro XP, it had just the frame and then just the outer shell. This one actually has like a door panel, or door panel. And the other thing is, it has little vents. Unfortunately, this vent over here already fell off, which I did go ahead and fix it once and it fell off again, so I need to figure out what's going on with that. Then, like I said, it is a Sport, so we don't have all the fancy stuff, which is cool because we'll upgrade that later. We don't really care for it much, especially since we're recording most of the time. Then pretty much it's the same thing as the XP. Room is still the same. This is the turbo one, so it's like 181 horsepower or some shit like that. And then it did come with the harnesses. Make sure we have the 4-point harnesses. Other than that, it's pretty much the same, guys. Nothing has changed other than that. Alright, so I am going to be adding this to the end of the video. That's what the front of the RZR looks like. This is the 2025 Pro S. I did forget to mention that another thing that changed from this one, between this one and my last one, is that this is 74 inches wide. This is the wider one. So this is very similar to the Pro R, which is 74 inches wide, but with the engine off of a Pro XP. So that's the other thing that did change on this one, but other than that, not much has changed. Still the same. On the last video that I'm gonna post from this, after this, for the RZR, I did take it off-roading on the trails, and the wider stance, or the wider dimensions, whatever it's called, I'm not sure what it's called, but the wider track on it did throw me off a lot on the trails, because a lot of those trails are meant for the narrower ones, and this one was going over the tracks that are already made there. So that is something I do have to get used to still, but overall this machine is amazing. Way more stable, way more flex, more clearance, more travel than the old one that we had, the XP. So overall, very happy with this one. Just wanted to throw this in the reveal video so you guys have a little more insight as to what this Pro XP, not the Pro XP, the Pro S includes. And then I'll show you guys my little setup once I install the light bar. That's going to be the video I'm going to be working on right now. We're installing a light bar on it, so stay tuned for that as well, for all the upgrades. I do have a video coming out with some of the upgrades I've already done. This will be another video, but this current clip is going on our reveal video. So signing off. Same engine, just different suspension. We did go ahead and put on some decals. I did install the whips already on it. Put the fire extinguisher, I got a mount on it already. I have a light bar coming for it, and then some pod lights. That way we go out to do night rides, we're able to be more illuminated. But so far that's the reveal, guys.